Alright, this is Baby. He loves his spray bottle. He likes to play with it, which is very interesting. I'm going to give him a little spritz. Want a little spritzy spritz? Yeah, he does. Chirping. I don't know why he's so attached to it. It's definitely adorable. Makes it easier to give him a bath, too. Oh, look how cute my wet bird is. Alright, sit here. Come on, sweetie. Get off the bottle. Oh, sweetie. Hi. A little wet? Yeah. A little bit wet. Here. Okay, spritzy spritz. Beautiful. Oh, hang on 1 second. Let me just get your back. There you go, pretty. There, that's his bath time. See how cute he is now? My sweetie. Oh. Yeah. He's my baby. He is.